So RackBank is a startup in data centers. It's an innovative startup. We think a lot about the sustainability. When I started my journey setting up my own data center in Indore, I started with a very small space with the ISP's house even, and those times are very unique time when you started from scratch, assembling the server, setting up the UPS and batteries and all these redundancy. So that was amazing time. We learned a lot over a period of 10 years, a decade, more than that. Now we have reached that stage that now we are scaling our data center infrastructure platform. Our vision is to how we can make our data center and the cloud affordable for everyone. When we started long back, our vision was to make it affordable and accessible. Now our vision is the same. We have just added like AI. Entire focus is around the AI infrastructure. Enabling AI is not easy. And I remember like my old days when we said 3 kilowatt of racks, 10 kilowatt of racks. Now we are talking here the 80 kilowatt of density to 150 kilowatt of density. So this accelerated computing, the GPU business or AI business required huge power, and being in India, it's a hot, humid climatic conditions, and same time you have to remain committed toward the sustainability. We decided to innovate on the liquid immersion cooling technologies. We started working on this project 3 years back to build sustainable data center platform which can enable the AI, the future revolution around the AI, and how we can make it sustainable and affordable and available. So we built Varuna. Varuna is our liquid immersion cooling tank. It's a data center in a box. You can fit 80 kilowatt of density and you don't need to use water. That's the power of innovations. We got patent on that. In India, we are able to make it affordable. The data center in the box located in on-prem data centers or office, wherever the innovators are sitting. So it can help you to build fast, execute fast, and deploy Varuna at your corporate office or data center or wherever you want. That's also a foundation layer that how before thinking about the AI, how we can build or how we can think about the re-architecting the data center landscape. The general purpose compute required like 10 kilowatt to 15-20 kilowatt of density, and the normal air conditioning can support that only. Beyond that, you have to adopt the solutions which can remove the heat faster, and that's how our journey started. Today, fast forward, we are innovating and investing more on the liquid cooled infrastructure. Such as liquid cooling and direct to chip. Both technologies we have developed in-house and indigenous. That is helping us to reduce the up to 70% cost compared to the global players who is supplying it. And we have tested more than a year now. It's working fine given the India's climatic condition, hot and humid. So we are saving the carbon emissions. Our PUE is less than 1.2%. Water utilization WE is very it doesn't require, it's a closed loop water, so we are not technically wasting the water, and carbon utilization effectiveness we also optimize that. We started our journey from tier 2 cities like Indore. Now we are ramping up this to the Mumbai and other central India cities like Raipur. Why we are choosing the sites very carefully, keeping our customers in mind and sustainability. And what we believe that we have changed the data center design engineering. Like earlier used to take 24 months to build a data center. We have reduced that construction time almost 6 months. That is way big difference. 1/4, like 25%, like 75% time we have optimized of building and delivering our data center. PUE, as I mentioned, we have already optimized, and operation efficiency, our entire data center is running on DCIM, which is in-house build technology platform, and we have deployed many sensors to sense everything in the what is happening in data center. Our vision to take the data center to an autonomous level where no human required, because what we believe that data centers can be anywhere, India or edge site or a space. So if we send this to space, it should work autonomously. So that's the vision of our company, And Raipur, coming to the point, which is upcoming locations for us, we are building country's largest AI data center park, or you can call it first AI data center park. Why we are building in central India? Because it's sustainable. Also, latency point, it's central India, like going north, east, west, south, same latency. These states doesn't have any data center as this point of time. This will also support diversity, sustainable locations. It's not near sea, so it cannot hamper the equipment life. Yeah, so Raipur is going to help us out to expand our region. And the AI focused data center, why it is needed, it doesn't require to be in tier 1 city, because AI can be anywhere, wherever the power is available, wherever the connectivity is available. And that's our belief, and that's what we understand and learn from the experience and our customers demand. They don't care about location, just they care about the availability of power and the availability of site and the liquid cooling. This combination they want, and that's how we started putting our resources in Raipur. I'm super excited about our Raipur location. We believe that this is going to be one of the largest AI campus in the country. Vision is to help international companies to launch their AI training and inferencing in our data centers and help them to quickly go live. So we are reducing their GTM time, we are reducing their PUE, we are using clean energy. This combination is very rare, and we want to give this package to our customer. Not only attracting international customers to this distributed cities, but our goal is to how we can enable our local ecosystem. And healthcare is going to be consume a lot of AI. Every industry have to adopt the AI if they want to sustain their growth and they want to remain in the competition, because the world has moved in last 2 years, moving toward when the ChatGPT arrived. Now the world has realized the increase of productivity more than 10x to 100x. Human productivity got increased, and that's where we see the AI utilization is going higher and higher. And Chhattisgarh is a power surplus state. The government is fantastic, and we are excited to do the groundbreaking in presence of the honorable chief ministers and the ministers of industry and ministers of environment and urban. Without their support, we will not be able to think about going Raipur. It's new market for us, and going into new market in data centers is like you should be crazy enough to go and do differently compared to anybody else in the market. And that's what we are challenging the status quo, that we are building this high-tech, super power, super secured AI infrastructure. We are building state's first special economic zone. There are good engineering colleges, good tech ecosystem available in Raipur and Chhattisgarh, the entire as a whole, and that attracted us to invest there. We are investing more than 1,000 crore at first phase. Apart from that, I personally believe that tier 2 cities has more potential than tier 1, and they have always ambitions to become a tier 1. And we believe that we will become an enabler of this high-tech cities and the digital growth of Chhattisgarh. We are putting this together, but more than that, city is very close to my heart. My wife is from Chhattisgarh, so I truly believe connected. And we are excited. We all are excited. Our companies, our investors, everybody is excited to launch this platform in Chhattisgarh. We are not going to stop here. We are going to expand in 9 more cities. Yeah, and this AI data center park, I'm super excited.